Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words please and please. Let's look at each one individually. Please, adverb or verb. Adverb, used as a polite addition to requests or commands. Verb, to give pleasure or satisfaction. For example, could you pass the salt, please? Please turn off your phone during the movie. I hope this gift will please you. Please, noun, plural of plea. Earnest requests or appeals, often made in a serious or emotional manner. For example, the defendant made several pleas for leniency during the trial. Her pleas for help were heard by everyone in the room. The charity received many pleas for donations. To summarize, please is used as an adverb to make requests more polite, or as a verb meaning to give pleasure. Pleas are earnest requests or appeals, often made in serious situations. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.